Welcome, everyone. Today, Mark and I will be addressing some important questions regarding the enhancement of forest carbon sequestration for climate change mitigation.
That's right, Roy. Let's dive right in. Our first question focuses on effective strategies for enhancing forest carbon sequestration. Roy, could you elaborate on some of these strategies?
Absolutely, Mark. Effective strategies include afforestation, reforestation, sustainable forest management practices, and agroforestry. Selecting tree species with high carbon storage potential is also crucial. For example, certain types of pine and eucalyptus trees are known for their fast growth and long lifespan, making them excellent choices for carbon sequestration efforts.
That's fascinating, Roy. Now, for our second question concerns the impact of environmental factors on carbon sequestration rates in forests. Roy, how do factors like temperature, precipitation, and soil quality influence carbon storage?
Environmental factors indeed play significant role. Temperature and precipitation affect tree growth rates, while soil quality determines nutrient availability. For instance, warmer temperature can accelerate decomposition rates, potentially reducing carbon storage. And to mitigate the impacts, we need to implement adaptive management strategies such as selecting climate resilient tree species and enhancing soil carbon through compost application and minimal tillage.
Thank you, Roy. So, moving on to our third question. What are the potential co-benefits and trade-offs associated with forest carbon sequestration strategies?
Co-benefits include enhanced biodiversity, improved water quality, and socioeconomic benefits, benefits such as job creation. However, trade-offs may arise such as conflict between conservation goals and economic development. It's essential to adopt holistic approaches that consider the needs of diverse stakeholders to navigate these trade-offs effectively.
Absolutely. For our fourth question, addresses the role of emerging technologies in forest carbon sequestration. Roy, how can technologies like remote sensing and machine learning improve monitoring and assessment efforts?
Remote sensing techniques such as satellite imagery and LIDAR enable large-scale monitoring of forest cover change and biomass estimation. Machine learning algorithms can analyze this data to detect patterns and trends, enhancing our understanding of carbon dynamics. Integrating these technologies into a monitoring system allows for more accurate tracking of progress towards carbon sequestration goals.
Thank you. Lastly, for our fifth question, focuses on policy frameworks and incentives for promoting forest carbon sequestration. Now, Roy, what policies and incentives are most effective in driving adoption of these practices?
Policies such as payments for ecosystem services, carbon pricing, and international agreements like the Paris Agreement are crucial for incentivizing forest carbon sequestration efforts. This, mecha- this mechanism create economic incentives for sustainable forestry practices and facilitate international collaboration to tackle climate change collectively.
Well said, Roy. Thank you for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. We hope we hope that this discussion has shed light onto the importance of enhancing forest carbon sequestration for climate change mitigation.
Indeed, Mark, together we can make a difference in preserving our planet for future generations. Until next time, take care.